Good afternoon, second grade. We are ready for math. So you should have your math papers there. You need to have your application problem, your problem set, and then there's a homework sheet. So you need to have all three of those sheets, and that's what we're going to be doing today, working through these math problems. Okay? So let's start with our application problem. The application problem looks like this. You guys see it. You guys know what it looks like. It's for lesson 12. The application problem for lesson 12. Okay, and it starts like this. Barb has a bag of 34 cherries. She eats 17 cherries for a snack. How many cherries does she have left? Well, let's listen to that again. Barb has a bag of 34 cherries. She eats 17 cherries for a snack. How many cherries does she have left? Well, let's work it out. Let's see. So, we know that Barb had 34 cherries. Okay? And I'm just going to put CH for cherries. She had 34 cherries. Okay? Well, she ate 17. Well, if she ate 17, does that mean... Let me get you a little closer so you can see a little bit better. If she ate 17, does that mean she put them back in there, or did they go? Are they gone? They're gone. So that means we have to get rid of 17 of them. Okay, she ate them. Hey, the question is, how many cherries left? How many are left? How many left? That is our question. How many are left? And we know we're going to subtract because she ate some. She ate some. Okay? Well, we're going to do this in our new way that we know how to subtract. Okay? So, we're going to come up with our sentence. Our subtraction sentence would be 34 minus 17. 34 minus 17 equals. That's my question. Well, I'm going to put that in that little t. Okay? We practiced that. Here's my small t. I have my tens, my ones, my star, my box, my equal sign, and I know I'm subtracting. I'm going to put my numbers in. 34 and 17. We always have to put a 10 and then we put the 1. We put a 10 and then we put a 1. Sometimes we might just have a 1 and we have to just put it in the ones and column. Doesn't go. Last week when I was checking work, some people put the ones just in the tens. It doesn't work that way, okay? You've got to see if they're tens and ones and where they go. Hey, well now let's make our big T. Let's make our big work T. Okay, tens, ones, and a star. And we have that line at the bottom, okay? And we have that line at the bottom. Hey, well, I'm going to work with the number 34. 34, I have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to subtract 17. I'm going to subtract 17. So I'm not going to draw those. I'm not going to draw those chips. I'm going to use those as subtractions. So I'm going to be crossing away. I'm going to cross some out. So I always start my ones because that's where that star is. I have 7 that I need to cross out. Uh-oh. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4. I can't cross out 7. So I need to get some more chips. I need to get some more disc. I do know, and you know, that there are 10 ones in 110. There are 10 ones in 110. So I'm going to get rid of this 10 and make it into 10 ones over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I got rid of a 10 here, and I turned it into 10 ones, okay? I got rid of a 10, and I turned it into 10 ones. Now I can subtract 7. I can cross out 7, and I always start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I crossed out 7 because that's what it told me. I crossed out 7 in the ones. Now I can count and see how many ones I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones. Okay? How many ones do I have here? I have 1. So I got to cross out another 1 over here. Another 10. So I have 1 10. So I had to cross it out right there. I have 1 10 left. So, what number does 1 10 and 7 ones make? 1 10 and 7 ones makes the number 17. So this is 17. 34 minus 17 is 17. So on the back side, or if I don't, if I got it all, you can write your sentence. She has 17 cherries. And that would be my sentence. She has 17 cherries. So that is my sentence that you can write on the back side. Even though there's not any lines back there, you can still write it on the back side. Okay? Oh, we started learning this subtraction right before Thanksgiving. Okay? So today we kind of reviewed it. I wrote out my information. I wrote my problem. 34 minus 17 equals 17. Okay? I put it in a small t. I took my information to my big T and drew my 3 10s. I drew my 4 1s. I needed to subtract 7. Well, I only had 4, but I know that 1 10 is 10 1s, so I crossed out my 10 and I drew my 10 1s. Then I was able to go back and cross out my 7 and counted how many ones I had left. I had 1 10 and 17, so I crossed out that other 10 and had 1 10 left to get the answer of 17. Okay? To get the answer of 17. So, that is our application problem. Okay? Okay. Well, that was my application problem. Now, we're going to just practice some more. We're going to practice. So let's get your problem set out. Okay? Well, let's get your problem set out. Okay. So, problem set for lesson 12. Okay? Do you see this little thing right here? There's this little drawing. It has a magnifying glass on it. We're not doing ours that way. Nope, no way, not doing it. We're not going to do it. So, matter of fact, I'm just going to cross that out because we're not going to do it that way. Okay? We are not going to do it that way. We haven't learned it that way yet. Okay? So, you see, I crossed that way out because we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it a different way. We're going to do it just like we've been practicing on the board. Okay? We're going to work them out just like we were practicing on the board. Okay? So, we have room there that we can do that first problem. Okay? That first problem is 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18. That's my problem. 22 minus 18. Well, I'm going to draw my T. You have room to draw a T there. So let's draw that small t. And let's go on and get it labeled like we need to. Tens, 1 star, box, subtraction sign, equal sign. That's my small t. Let's put my numbers in. 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18. Now I have my numbers in. Okay? You can draw on the other side of there now. You can draw your larger t. Let's get our larger t drawn. Okay? And we're subtracting here, so I know we're going to subtract. Well, let's put our circles in. I have 22. I'm going to start with my 22. How many tens? I have 2. 1, 2. How many ones? I have 2. 1, 2. Hey, now I need to subtract. And this is a mistake that people are going to do right away. Oh, here's a 1. I'm just going to cross 1 off. Doesn't work that way. You have to start where the star is. You have to start in the ones. If you start in the tens, you're going to get the problem totally wrong. You have to start in the ones. Okay? So, I have the number 18. I have 8 ones. I only have 2 ones. I can't take 8 from 2. See? Here's 2. I can't take 8 from that 2. I don't have enough. I don't have enough. But I do know, and you know, that 110 equals 10 ones. 110 equals 10 ones. So I'm going to cross out the 10, and I'm going to draw the 10 ones in my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? I crossed out a 10 and drew 10 ones because I know that in a 10 there are 10 ones. Now I can cross out 8. Now I have enough circles there that I can cross out 8 of them. Let's start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 crossed out now. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones. Okay? Let's look over here now. How many tens do I have to subtract? I have 1 10. So I'm going to cross out that other 10 because I'm taking a 10 away. Okay? Taking that 10 away. How many tens do I have left? I don't have any 10s left. So I'm not going to write anything here. I don't have any 10s left. So my answer is 4. 22 minus 18 is 4. Okay? 22 minus 18 is 4. Okay, everybody see that? Everybody see that one? Okay. Let's work on B. So let me erase this, and we're going to work on B. Okay? Let's work on B. Okay. B's problem is 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12. Okay. Get your small t drawn. Go on and get your small t drawn. And let's get those numbers in there. Okay? Get that small t drawn. Let's get the numbers. I have 20. I have 2 10s and 0 1s. That makes 20. I have 12. 1 10 and 2 1s. That makes 12. And I know right off the bat people are going to say, oh, 0 minus 2 is 2. Because that's a mistake that we all do. A lot of kids think that. I have 0. Can I take 2 from that 0? No. So it can't be 2. And it's not 0 either. Let's find out what it is. Let's draw in our big T. Get your big T made and let's draw. Get that big T made and let's draw. Okay, I'm going to start with 20. I have 2 10s. have 0 ones. I'm not going to draw anything there because I don't have any ones. Okay? Remember, we're going to start to subtract with our 12, and we're going to subtract in the ones first. That's why we have a star. It's first. Okay? We're going to subtract 2. Oh, I don't have anything up here that I can cross off. But I know and you know that 110 has 10 ones. So let's cross off a 10 and let's make our 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now I'm going to subtract 2. I have 2 ones in my 12. So I'm going to cross off 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? How many circles do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 tens. I'm sorry, 8 ones. Not 8 tens. 8 ones. And 8 ones. Now, how many tens do I have here? I have 1 10. So I have to subtract it. Do I have any tens left? No. My answer is 8. My answer is 8. There's my answer of 8. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's Let's work on C. Okay? Let's work on the letter C there. Okay, here we go. My number is 34 minus 25. 34 minus 25. 34 minus 25. Get your small teammate. Get your small teammate so we can add it to it. Okay? Hey, let's add 34. I have 34. 3 tens, 4 ones. I have 25. 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay. Well, let's go over. Let's get our chips in. I have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm ready to subtract. I'm going to start in these ones. There's my star. So I start with this 5. This number's already over there. I start with my 5. Uh-oh, I have 4. Can I take 5 from 4? No, I don't have 5 fingers up. I only have 4. That means I have to get some tens. I have to get some more ones from the tens. So, I know 110 is 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now I can take 5. Now I can cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones. 9 ones. Let's look here at my tens. How many tens do I have? I have 2. I have to cross off 2 tens. 1, 2. Do I have any tens left? Sure don't. I only have 9 ones. So my answer is 9. My answer is 9. Okay? Getting more familiar to you? Yeah. Let's try another one. Let's try D. Okay? Let's try D. Okay. D. 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18. Okay, 25 minus 18. Get your small t made so we can put some numbers in it. Small t, let's get some numbers. Okay, get that small t made. Well, let's put 25 in it. 2 10s, 5 1s makes 25. Let's put my other number in, 18. 1 10, 8 1s makes 18. I'm ready to subtract. 25 minus 18. Let's get some numbers. How many 10s do I have? I have 2. 1, 2. How many 1s do I have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I want to subtract 8. This is my 1s. There's my star. 8. Uh-oh, I have 5. Can I take 8 from 5? I sure can't. I can't do that. I have to get some more 1s. I know 1 10 equals 10 1s. So I'm going to cross out a 10 and draw 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can cross out. Now I can get rid of this 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crossed out 8. How many 1s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 1s. Now I'm ready for my 10s. 1 10. Got 1 10 and 18. I've got to subtract. Oh, look at that. I got to cross off this 10 because that's that 1 right there. I don't have any 10s left. So my answer is 7 1s. My answer is 7 1s. Okay? Hey, let's try E. Okay? I'm going to erase. You go on and get your 2 T's made for E. Get your little T made, drawn, and get your big T drawn. And we're going to get our numbers in there. 53 minus 29. 53 minus 29. Okay? Well, let's get our numbers in. 53. 5 10s, 3 1s. 29. 2 10s, 9 1s. I'm ready to put my disc over. I have 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. I am going to take 9 away. There's my 1s, 9. There's my star, 9 1s. Uh-oh, I only have 3. Can I take 9 from 3? I sure can't, but I know how to get some more 1s because I need some more 1s. 1 10 equals 10 1s. So I'm going to cross off 1 10 and draw them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now I can cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 1s. I have 4 1s. Now it's time to subtract my 10s. I have 2 10s. I want to cross off 2. 1, 2. This one's already crossed off because it's over here. So I have to cross off 2 more. 1, 2. I see I have 2 10s left. 2 10s, 4 1s makes the number 24. 24. And that is my answer. 24. That is my answer. Okay, let's do one more. Practice the last one. So, go on and get your T's made for the last one. That would be for F. That would be for F. 71 minus 27. Here we go. 71 minus 27. Let's put our numbers in. 71. 7 tens, 1 1. 27. 27. 2 tens, 7 ones. Hey, let's get our circles made. Let's start with our tens. I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1 1. There we go. I'm ready to subtract. Here's my ones. I'm going to subtract a 7. There's my star, so I know that's where I start. I have 1. 1 1. Can I take 7 ones from this 1 1? Absolutely not. But I know where to get some more ones. I can cross off a 10, and I can put them in the ones column. Because 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. Okay? And that's what I did. Now I can cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I can count how many's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay? Oh, I have 2 tens. 2 tens. I need to cross out 2 tens. Here's 1. Here's 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 4 tens. 4 tens and 4 ones equals 44. So this answer is 44. There's that answer of 44. Okay? So today we learned that if we don't have enough ones to subtract, we have to get a 10, cross it out from the tens, and draw 10 more ones before we can subtract. That is what we did in today's lesson. Okay, you on your own, you are going to do the homework page. Okay, same thing. We're going to cross that little thing out because we're not using that. You have 6 problems. Draw your little T's, draw your big T's, and solve the problems. Using your chips. Remember, if you don't have enough ones to subtract, you have to borrow. You have to get a 10 from here and cross it out and draw 10 more. Okay? Good luck on your homework. Goodbye. I'll be back in just a little bit with some science.